Hey, good morning, everyone. As most of you know, we don't like to waste table scraps. We have animals that'll eat them. I just got done making some fresh salsa. I have strawberries, blackberries, raspberries, and pineapples going on the dehydrator. So I have a lot of table scraps left over. So let's go feed the animals. So it's been raining a lot. It's probably about 38 degrees right now, drizzling, but the animals still need to be fed, so let's go check in on them. As you can see, it's nice and muddy out here. We've had about a day and a half of rain now, so let's check in on the big rabbit we have. Enjoying some of the leftover cilantro that we had. Probably gonna throw in a couple of tomatoes and a little bit of zucchini that we had left over. So I'm heading out to the barn right now. Everything is soaked out here. For some reason, all the animals are out in the pasture right now instead of inside the barn trying to stay warm. But I'm sure once they see me bringing their food out here, they're all going to run in and start chowing down. Yep, here they are, all ready to eat. Everybody's hungry now. It is an absolute mud pit out here. Hey, Sebastian, you coming in for some snacks? Huh, buddy? There you go. Got some pineapples and some tomatoes. Now you're trying to eat the camera. Fix your hair, man. You're on camera. Looks like the puppies are doing well, staying nice and warm out here in the barn. Hi, little guys. Looks like they're getting ready to eat some breakfast from mom. We have 2 males and 2 females. I believe the 2 darker ones are the females. You see the little guy here just getting his milk in for the day. Good mama. You're a good mama. Everybody's hungry now. So I just got done feeding everybody. For some reason, the dogs like to play out in the rain. They have almost fell in a hole there. They have a nice area to sleep in the barn. Got a lot of hay to lay in, keep warm. But if the dogs want to stay out in the yard and play in the rain, then so be it. Well, I made it back inside, trying to stay warm. Let's check in on the fruits and vegetables that I have on the dehydrator and see how they came out. I have some zucchini and squash that we're dehydrating here. I'm gonna try to make like chips out of them or something. Then I have a lot of pineapple and strawberries. I have a whole nother section of strawberries. And then here on the bottom is where we have the blackberries, the raspberries, and then more pineapple. They've been on there for about maybe close to an hour now. I think you're supposed to let them sit in there for about 6 to 8 hours, so I'll follow up later in the day and show you guys how they came out. Here's some of the other things I've dehydrated. I had kiwi, guava, and bananas. I'm gonna just add everything into this container right here, have it airtight. Once the strawberries and other fruits get dehydrated, I'm gonna go ahead and add everything in here and just have like a nice little mixture of dehydrated fruit. So here's the salsa that I made earlier. I made a hot, medium, and a mild. I handmade these tortilla chips straight from Walmart. Yes, I handmade those. So let's try it out. This is the hot one. Should be pretty good. Got a little bit of a kick to it. I think it might be the chili powder I added into it, but I like the amount of garlic powder that I added in, salt and pepper. Overall, pretty good. So I started the process of making jerky, Nelgai jerky. I just thawed out all the meat for it, put it inside this little crock pot. I'm gonna go ahead and marinate it, stick it in the refrigerator overnight, let it marinate. Pull it out in the morning, cut it up, throw it on the dehydrator, and make us some nilgai jerky. So I just got done making the marinade for the nilgai jerky. I added in jelly, syrup, barbecue sauce, butter, a lot of dry seasoning, and then an entire bottle of Shiner Holiday Cheer. All right, so it's been on for about roughly 3.5 hours, close to 4 hours. Some of the thinner pieces are starting to get really dehydrated. Some of the other ones still need quite a bit longer. And then here we are with the others. We got the blackberries, and then the raspberries, and also the pineapple. Some of the pineapples got red on it due to the strawberries being above it. They're starting to dry out. It's probably gonna take about another 4 hours or so to get these done, but just wanted to give you a quick update. I'll check back here in a couple of hours. All right, so a couple of hours have passed. I took off the strawberries. They're nice and dried out. Same thing with a big chunk of the pineapples that I had on there. I do have some left on the dehydrator still. They were on the bottom rack. If you have any tips or tricks on an easy way to get the strawberries off of the dehydrator, please comment below because it was a pain in the ass. Let's go check out what's left on the dehydrator. All right, so here's what's left on the dehydrator. We still have the blackberries, the raspberries, and then a handful of pineapple left. Pineapples will probably stay on there for about another hour or so. The berries are taking a lot longer to dehydrate, but I'll probably keep them on for maybe 2 or 3 more hours. Once again, if you do have any tips or tricks on how to peel these off of the dehydrator, here's some of them that were still stuck on there. It was a pain in the ass, like I said earlier, to get them off. I don't know if I need to use cooking spray or any other tips or tricks, but feel free to comment below and help a brother out. Thanks for watching the video.